Hibiscus tea benefits. 7 health benefits you didn't know. If you are unfamiliar with this delicious tea, it's made by steeping a beautiful red flower that grows in tropical places called hibiscus. Hibiscus is loved in tropical countries like India, where the flower is a favorite garden plant in addition to being used to make tea. One can steep the flowers fresh or dried, and the beverage can be enjoyed hot or cold. Today we'll be sharing a simple way to prepare hibiscus tea and tell you why they're good for you. Here are the 7 health benefits that come with drinking hibiscus tea. Number 1. Better heart health. The rich red hibiscus petals are loaded with antioxidants that support heart health. This means your blood pressure would go down and your blood circulation will be at its best. The flower's antioxidants also help reduce bad cholesterol and fatty acids called triglyceride. They're vital in combating the stress our bodies experience from elements that make our hearts work harder. This means your body will be less fatigued and you'll have more energy. Number 2, it has anti-aging effects. One fabulous benefit of getting enough antioxidants is the prevention of premature aging. 1 cup of hibiscus tea gives you 72% of your daily recommended vitamin C intake, which is good for the skin. Vitamin C keeps the skin elastic by promoting the production of collagen in the body. The vitamin also protects skin cells from damage. Another fascinating fact about hibiscus is that they can be used to manage symptoms of menopause, such as hot flashes. The tea is also potent in protecting liver cells from aging. Hibiscus tea is found to have positive effects on alleviating anxiety and depression, especially during the physical changes in our 40s and 50s. Number 3. Boost our immune system. Hibiscus tea was found to be good at building our immune systems. A better immune function means fewer chances of catching colds, flu, and even some cancers. In addition to the vitamin C content, the tea also has several minerals like iron, which also support the immune system. This is important to consider, as it's important to be healthy inside and out. Number 4. It functions as a laxative. Hibiscus also contains fruit acids such as citric acid, which functions as a laxative. The acids help the smooth muscles of the intestines relax, thus providing ease to the digestive system. The tea also helps decrease stomach and intestinal spasms and protects the intestines from harmful microbes and parasites. Number 5. Helps regulate body temperature. In regions where the climate is hot and dry, hibiscus tea is consumed for its cooling effects. Having a normal body temperature is important in preventing heat strokes, a condition that can be fatal. Hibiscus offers some help with bringing one's temperature back to normal. In fact, it has been the trusted medicinal herb in dry desert countries like the Sahara and Africa throughout history. Let us know in the comments if you've ever had a nice cup of hibiscus tea. And if this is your kind of wellness information video, subscribe to our channel and click the bell for notifications of new videos and live streams. Number 6. Controls carbohydrate absorption. Hibiscus tea can block what is known as amylase. This is an enzyme that breaks down starches into sugars during digestion. When you're trying to keep your blood sugar low, this effect will be very beneficial to you. That said, the tea can help your body switch on its fat-burning mechanism faster since your blood sugar level is controlled, which ties this to our last health benefit for today. Number 7. Weight loss. Hibiscus tea is well loved for its weight loss benefits. It has almost 0 calories and it fits perfectly on a diet. That is if you don't add sugar to it. Blocking carbohydrates and supplying vitamins and antioxidants are just what we need to fight obesity. And if you're in a constant fat-burning state, then you'll achieve your target weight faster. The weight loss benefit is supported by studies suggesting that the tea's ability to trigger the genes that regulate fat burning as well as reduce the size of fat cells. That being said, how do we start enjoying hibiscus teas? How does one prepare it? Okay, but before we go to drinking this delightful tea, let's check out what we should be cautious about. Hibiscus tea may not be the best beverage for those who are pregnant, breastfeeding, and have kidney problems. It must never be given to infants. And it's not advisable for people with low blood pressure. Now, if the tea is safe for you, here are the 2 ways of preparing hibiscus tea. First, you'll need 4 hibiscus flowers. Remove the petals of each flower and rinse them lightly. Then place the petals in a pot of freshly boiled water and stir them together. Once the water turns bright red, you may cover the pot to let it steep for 15 to 20 minutes. Then you may remove the petals and flavor the tea with low-calorie spices such as cinnamon, ginger, or mint. You may transfer the tea to your favorite cup and garnish it with lemon. You can also serve it cold. Simple and easy, isn't it? There's an easier way to maximize health and weight loss benefits every day. There's one tonic that specifically targets our body's fat-burning process, and it also uses hibiscus extracts. The belly fat was observed to burn faster when the tonic is taken before 10 a.m. every day. The tonic's recipe was discovered after a doctor intensively researched the Okinawan diet and lifestyle. It was very intriguing as to how the people there are all in the ideal weight range and free from chronic illnesses. That was when an ancient tradition of using herbs and berries for a healthy tonic that can be drunk every morning was discovered. The first person to try it was a 45-year-old woman by the name of Susan Atley. She's a mother of 3, so she tries to find ways to be healthy so she can live long and be there for her kids. Susan has a problem though. She can't seem to lose weight, but she was forever thankful when Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic was recommended to her. She took the tonic every morning. She didn't keep a strict diet or worked out hard, but after 7 weeks of continuous use, she lost about 54 pounds. Check the description box below this video and you'll see the link to her incredible story. One lesson to be learned is that taking advantage of plant compounds by drinking them every day can do our bodies a lot of good. We hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned how hibiscus tea is delicious, nutritious, and very easy to prepare. Subscribe to our channel if you'd love to see more videos like this, and click the bell for notifications of future uploads. Thanks so much for watching!